organized. So I talked to Elaine on something that I can help also with the Arizona, and she said that your idea is really good because I have the same concern. So I put together this material just to share the basics of an idea to see how it would work for people. We have not implemented our own team, all of these ideas. This is our second year and probably get better organized. And the idea was to establish a online session in the next few weeks with the complete material. And in this 15 minutes, we're going to give you insights that this material exists, that this initiative and idea exists, to give you insights into how to get better organized through the session to what the whole 4 or 5 months or 7 months you get to wait. So unfortunately, we don't have the possibility to even start and give you the initial material, but it will be posted. Elaine is trying to do an online seminar session to give you the opportunity to look at the tools, to get the perspective of managing the team from the project management perspective. This is more for coaches, not much for the kids. But we will schedule those, and she will inform when those will be available for conversation. My email is also in the material, so I will be available to give help for anyone who would like to get help. But for now, I think we cannot share anything else. Okay, program. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I will go quickly through the key messages that I wanted to go through the first slide. I wanted to get out of the way the project management as a big solution for getting the team organized. But mostly FLL is to have the kids enjoy, drive their creativity, get the teamwork, to learn how to work together, and to learn about problem solving. And if the team if the coach and the support structure get organized, then you can focus more on those and not so much on being behind. If you know where you're gonna end, you have a better way of know what to do over the next few weeks. So better planning is a way to have less stress and give more time for innovation. Don't spend the time of the session on coordination. Spend the time on hands-on, on collaboration, on discussion. So that was the thing I wanted to highlight, so that we don't think, oh, this will solve my problem. No, this is a set of tools for you to have more fun. And it can be applied for all the areas that we mentioned in all the sessions before. We can have a top project for the robot design, for the robot game strategy, who's going to work on what, the innovation project, the core values, how we're going to work through them, how to incorporate into the rubric. And that gracious professionalism also has to be in all the activities that we do. Maybe this is the last one I want to touch base, which is the objective for the season. I think it's very important for the team to discuss what are we trying to do this season. Are we going to first year, get involved, and get all team members and parents input on what we're trying to do this year, and get familiar with the rubric to know what is expected so that you can make a plan to get and meet the objectives based on the rubric. The rubric is like a North Star of what you need to do, and then how you will be evaluated, and then you can build the plan to get to that objective. But also keep it realistic for the maturity, the commitment level. the interest of the team, the interest of the parents, because you don't want a team to start disbanded because there is a lot of activities that need to be done. And define what you want to do. Are you going to attend and participate, or you want to go to the next level, regional, state, international, so that once you have that objective clear, you make a plan for that objective. Everything has to be structured around where are you trying to be at the end of the day. Again, there is more material. We don't have the time, but the intention wasn't to cover all of it. And there will be a future online session to go through more details. Let me go to the last slide. This is my email. So you can ping me if you want some more context before we have the session. But the idea is to have planning, give the team more time for getting confidence and direction, and to enjoy, to have fun, to drive creativity, and always have key lessons, questions, and reflections. And there's a lot of tools, templates. I didn't want to overload the material with templates because there's a lot of online, but I can help explain how to use them once you find them, and I can help with that. I didn't want to restrict your creativity by saying these are the tools that you need to use, because each team has different way of addressing the problems. So I just wanted to make them available, make them known to you, and I can help understand them and use them. And Elaine also created a website with a lot of other resources that also can be used. Any questions from the last 2 minutes that we had?
Can you show the slide 16? Is that like a timeline? Your slide looks like down.
Yeah, this one is from Elaine's website. She put a high level. I know it has been updated because I took this screenshot like 3 weeks ago, but it may have changed. But this is her version of the project. She had a larger project, so each team has its own mini project, but same concept.